أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn ayah number 35 to 40 of Surah Ar-Rahman. Okay, 3 new ayahs here inshallah. Fine, I'm going to recite it first inshallah. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Alhamdulillah. So we have completed reciting. Now let's look into the tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Ayah number 35. Okay. يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار. Okay. يرسل. Ra sakin here is heavy because it has dhamma before it. Okay. يرسل عليكما. Ain clear. It's not a, it's a. Ain from the middle part of your throat. Okay. عليكما. Meme for 2 count. Shuwawun. Waw to haraka. Shuwawun. It's not a z. It means no buzzing sound, and also it is not a zal. If you pronounce it lightly, it will convert to this zal. It's not shuwazun. It is shuwawun. Wu. Zu. There is a difference, right? This is a light and this is heavy, but the makhraj is same. Shuwawun min. Shuwawun min. Idgham with the 2 haraka gunna. Shuwawun min. Again here noon will be connected to this noon. I mean idgham with the 2 haraka gunna. Min narin. There is a la here. It's not good to stop. So if you stop here due to the break in your breath or anything, go at least 2 words back again and recite from here. Min narin wa nuhasun. Narin. See that idgham, it is creating a different kind of sound, right? And also that nasalization for 2 haraka. Narin wa. Okay, that you kind of sound with the gunna should be there. Min narin wa nuhasun. Wa nuha. Very sharp. It should not sound wa nuhasun. Ha is very blunt sound. That is the ha of aqsal halaq. This is wasatul halaq. Wa nuhasun. Very sharp sound. Tanween followed by fa. Ikhfa with 2 haraka gunna. Wa nuhasun fala. 2 count for this lam. Fala ta. See, the tip of your tongue should not touch the upper gums. It should be down itself with 2 count. Gunna. Tanta is wrong. Ta. تنتصران. صي heaviness. It's not ta si, it's a si. Okay, and a raw with standing fatha is heavy, and we can apply madul arid lisukun here by stretching this standing fatha, that is alif saghira, for 2, 4 or 6 count. Let's just keep it for haraka. And here you can see the gunna is in many places. I'm going to highlight it here, and here. You have to do two haraka gunna in all these places. Okay, I'm going to recite it. Just focus on all the rules, inshallah. يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران. Okay, did you see how many places we have done gunna? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places for 2 count. So if your breath is very short, better you stop here itself, but go 2 to 3 words back, like يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران. Okay, or you can stop here if you can, and you can start from here itself, because wa and nuhasun is a different word. Okay, alhamdulillah. So inshallah, now let's see the next ayah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay, فبأي, same thing, 1 haraka, ya with a stress. Emphasize it and don't pronounce it like hamza. The common mistake which you all are doing is pronouncing it فبأي. E is wrong, it is a yi. Ya you yi. فبأي, hamza 2 haraka, this alif mad for 4 count. Alai rabbikuma, ra heavy, mim 2 count. Tukadhiban, dal with no buzzing sound, and ba with standing fatha can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6 count, inshallah. We'll just keep it for haraka. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان. Okay. فإذا انشقت. فإذا, this zal with no buzzing sound, and actually there is alif maddiya. Can you see that? Alif maddiya, but why are we cancelling it? While doing wasl, due to that hamzatul wasl, we are going to cancel the ruling of iltiqa sakinain. Okay, فإذا, but while continuation, فإذا شقati, noon sakin followed by sheen, you'll have to do gunna for 2 haraka by doing ikhfa. Ikhfa means hiding noon sakin in the nasal cavity for 2 haraka. فإذا شقati, not shaqqa, it's not a light letter, it is heavy. Shaqqa. Okay, shaqati connected to seen. Shaqqati sama'u, 4 haraka mad al wajib muttasil, because alif madya is followed by hamza in a same word. Alright, 4 count, and it is mandatory. Wajib mad, 4 haraka, inshallah. As-sama'u fakanat, kaf 2 haraka, fakanat, ta with hams. If you just say fakanat, kanat, see the ta is not so clear, right? You're looking at this musaf and then I'm reciting, it will be easy for you to understand that I'm reciting ta. But if you recite it to someone just like fakanat, they'll not make out what is the letter you pronounced at the end, right? So it should be very clear. Fakanat, nat. Okay, not so much like fakanat. This is wrong, just a little to make it clear, inshallah. فكانت وردة, war, not war, war, heaviness. وردة, tanween followed by kaf, it should be pronounced with ikhfa, just like how you say thank, not pronouncing N clearly there, right? Thank. Same thing. Wardatanka, tanka. Okay. Wardatanka dihan. There is alif mad here, can you see? But you should not recite it, inshallah, because it is actually not alif mad, it is hamzatul wasl. Okay, it is looking like alif mad as it has fatha before it, but actually it is the hamzatul wasl of the word ad-dihan. Okay, hamzatul wasl, lam, and this dal. So don't recite this lam and hamzatul wasl, just recite kaf connected to dal, not kad-dihan, it is kad-dihan. Fine. Dal, emphasize it, and alif maddiya can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6 count, and we are going to keep just 4 haraka inshallah. فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فبأي يا مشدد clearly emphasize it آلاء hamza for 2 haraka and this for 4 count ربكما ra heavy meme for 2 haraka تكذبان zal with no buzzing sound inshallah. Okay, now let's see the next ayah. فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان. Okay, there is a longest mud here which you'll have to stretch for 6 count. فيومئذ فيوم not yoma. Okay, it is فيومئذ tanween followed by lam, so idgham without gunna. You will not say فيومئذ, that a noon sound should not be there because that noon sakin of tanween is getting completely merged in lam in a way that it will completely get cancelled. So it's فيومئذ, not idhin, idhil lam. Okay, فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا, emphasize it because in this lam there are 2 letters, one is this noon sakin and another is lam, so you have to emphasize it. فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا يُسْأَلُ okay, عَنْ ذَنْبِهِ, noon sakin followed by zal, you will do ikhfa, and noon sakin followed by ba, you will do iqlab. Iqlab means this noon sakin will not be pronounced, that is getting converted into this meme. So you can find this meme here, right? So don't say dhan but dham, meme with the 2 haraka gunna inshallah. Dhanbihi, dhanbihi. Okay, this is ha with standing kasra, madal sila sughra, followed by hamza in the next word, so it will become madal sila kubra. If you're confused between sila sughra and kubra, just remember huruf al mad, that is alif ya saghira is followed by hamza in a separate word, that is why 4 haraka. Okay, fine. Dhanbihi insun, insun, noon sakin 2 haraka gunna, but by doing ikhfa, don't say in, it is in, hiding it. Insun, tanween followed by waw, idgham with 2 haraka gunna. Insun wala, lam 2 haraka. Jan, here alif mad is followed by a letter carrying tashdeed, the mad which is due to permanent sukoon called as mad al-lazim, which has to be stretched for 6 haraka, and this is musaqqal, mad al-lazim, kalimi musaqqal, that is a mad with a strength where you'll have to do 2 haraka complete gunna on this noon. Okay, and that is compulsory because there is tajdeed. Removing or adding tajdeed is lehn al jali. 2 haraka gunna must be done here. Fine, inshallah. Even in this ayah, gunna is in many places. One is here, another is here, another is here, and here. Ikhfa here and idgham here. And here also 2 haraka gunna. Okay, if to do gunna in many places is difficult, you'll just have to break the ayah into 2 and recite from back. Okay, I'm going to recite it inshallah. فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان. Can you see that gunna at the end? ولا جان. 2 count. I'm not going to stretch this for 6 now, because in Zoom meeting you'll not be able to hear that 6 haraka stretching if your network is not good. I'm just going to stretch it for 2 to 3 haraka, and I'll show you how to do gunna there. That is compulsory. Okay, wala jan. Okay, jan. 2 count gunna, just like how you're stretching the alif madya for 2 haraka, that much time for that noon mushaddad there. Okay, inshallah. Last ayah is فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay, same thing. فبأي 1 haraka, ya with tajdeed, emphasize it. Hamza 2 count. This alif maddiya for 4 haraka. آلاء ربكما, ra heavy, mim for 2 count. تكذبان, dal with no buzzing sound, and this alif Saghira, alif mad al saghira for 2, 4 or 6 count, and we are just keeping it 4 harakat throughout inshallah. Okay, so we have completed learning these ayahs. Only 3 are new here, rest of the 3 is the same. Fabiayyi ala. So now inshallah let's recite this. Okay, I'm going to recite it once, listen to it and recite behind me, then later I'll unmute your mics inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. Okay, I'm going to turn your mics on, inshallah. Let's recite together. Ji, let's recite together now, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
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 يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار.
يرسل عليكما شواظ
من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران.
من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران.
Okay, you have to do ghunna in these places. Let's do 2 haraka ghunna and recite again. يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران.
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار فلا تنتصران.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان.
فإذا انشقت السماء وكانت وردة كالدهان.
Okay, Gunna, just 2 places here. فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان.
فإذا انشقت السماء وكانت كالدهان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه ولا جان.
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
ولا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران.
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار
من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء تكذبان.
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
فإذا انشقت السماء وكانت وردة كالدهان.
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
فإذا انشقت السماء وكانت وردة كالدهان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان
Unable to hear.
Okay, one second.
فيومئذ فيومئذ لا
لا
يسأل
يسأل عن ذنبه
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So we have completed reciting. There are just few points which you'll have to remember. The gunna here I have already highlighted, and also the mud is more here, due to which you'll need a long breath to pronounce it. Okay, wajib muttasil, and here there is lazim. Okay, for 6 count, and then you'll have to do 2 haraka complete gunna. Okay, inshallah. Here sad and ra must be heavy. تنتصران صي. Okay, fine, alhamdulillah. So if you have any doubts in these ayahs regarding tajweed, you can ask. Fine, alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So let's end the meeting, inshallah. Practice well and recite tomorrow. Let's end the meeting now. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khaira.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallahu khairan.
Jazakallah.
Ji, alhamdulillah wa antum fa jazakumullahu khaira.